My deck is looking old and dingy, and the current stain has seen better days. It's in need of a refresh, and this new Cabot Cool Fill stain is the perfect thing to use. After I removed all the furniture from the porch, I put painter's tape all around the sides. Now, the first thing you're going to do is properly prepare the deck, and I used two products. It's a Valspar stripper product. You apply it, you let it sit, and then you can use a scrub brush to really scrub that top layer off. And after you do that and you wash it off, the second thing after it has dried is applying an all-in-one wood prep. And what this does is it cleans the surface really well. It takes that wood stripper product off of the porch. And then I let it dry for a few days, and you can see the end result. Now it's time to apply the Cabot Heat Reducing Solid Color Stain Plus Sealer with Cool Fill technology. This stuff offers durable, even color that blocks the UV rays, deflects the sun's heat, and reduces the surface temperature by 20 degrees. I used a Cabot stain pad to apply the Cool Fill to my deck. As you can see, I am applying it with a stain pad. You can also use polyester brushes or professional spray equipment. What you're going to want to do if you're using more than 1 gallon, you're going to want to shake it, stir it, and blend the containers together if you're using more than one. What I did was I applied a small section at a time, 1 to 3 boards. I started at one edge of the board and I worked to the other end of the board. And I applied it in small sections at a time. Now, because this has been previously stained, I did apply 2 coats. If you're applying this to raw wood or new wood, 1 coat should be fine. As I brushed on the first coat of the Cabot Cool Fill stain to my deck, I couldn't help but see why everyone loves these stains. Cabot just got ranked #1 in customer satisfaction with exterior stains and best in ease of application by J.D. Power. It's no wonder they've been nailing it with top-notch performance and innovative products for over a century. Their stains not only look great, but also last a long time, protecting any wood surfaces outside. Once this deck was good and dry, I started replacing my furniture, and I can't wait to enjoy this porch now. This stain really elevates this space, not to mention the fact that I live in a coastal climate, and this should be a game changer for this porch. Did I mention this stain comes in 3 awesome colors? Well guys, you have 3 options to choose from. Thank you to Cabot for sponsoring this video. I can't wait to enjoy this porch, and I think my dog's gonna love it too.